Data is the most valuable asset in the world, and how we use information is continuously evolving. As professionals, we need to understand the past, but also predict the future. With the right technology solutions, the business can create insight, perform in-depth analysis, and use the data effectively, helping to create ideas and giving the organization practical solutions. Data helps executives to solve operational challenges and to report actual performance to historical planning. Analytical solutions help businesses to convert data into action and link strategy to execution. FinCore Analytics is a specialized partner who understands technology and helps you to find the right solutions. We move with the change, bring a new perspective, and engage actively with your team, creating a culture of innovation and finding ways to optimize your business through data analytics, technology solutions, and flexible delivery. We are experts in achieving results through simplicity. FinCore Analytics. Insight, innovation, ideas.